Good morning, everyone. I'm Nadine, and I'm here to give you today's trading notes. For the U.S. markets rally on vaccine hopes. The major indexes closed higher after it was reported that Moderna's coronavirus vaccine trial produced neutralizing antibodies in all 45 patients in its early-stage human trial. According to the World Health Organization, more than 100 vaccines are under development globally. Moving on to the local market, OFW remittances contracted 16% to $2 billion in April. Our view: remittances contracted for the second straight month in April and also the biggest monthly decline in almost 2 decades as many lost their jobs amid a global pandemic. This brought the year-to-date figure to $9.45 billion, down 3% from the period last year. More than 82,000 OFWs from 60 countries and 132 cruise ships have been repatriated, according to the Department of Foreign Affairs. The significant decline will result into weaker domestic consumption as less money is being sent to the Philippines. In addition, this would probably put a dent to the recent appreciation of the peso against the US dollar. Remittances account for approximately 9.3% of the GDP. BSP expects remittances to decline 3% this year. Meanwhile, new record gross international reserves in June indicate strong peso. Our view: the peso closed at 49.54 pesos per US dollar, hovering at the strongest we've seen in 3 years. The country booked a record $93.3 billion in gross international reserves, or GIR, already surpassing the fiscal year target of $90 billion. The surge in GIR was a result of the government's recent global bond sale to support the impact of COVID-19. The country's GIR can now cover 8.4 months' worth of imports, well above the global standard of 6 months. GIR were also equivalent to 7 times the country's short-term external debt and 4.6 times based on residual maturity. The peso has been the strongest currency among emerging markets. A surging peso, however, may not be good for everyone, especially for OFWs, BPOs, and even exporters who earn in foreign currencies. That wraps up today's market outlook. Join us again tomorrow for your daily trading notes. Stay safe!